In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a clock widget like this in your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So to add a clock widget in your Windows 11, first you need to open a browser and go to this website which is called rainmeter.net. I'll give the link in the description box, so you can just go to the description and go ahead with the website. Now after coming to the website, you just need to download this Rainmeter application. So just click on download and it will just automatically download in your PC. Now go to the folder, double click on it and install the application. Choose the language. Now click next. Now install. Give the permission. Now just click finish and run Rainmeter. After installing the Rainmeter, you will have these widgets in your PC. So just right click on them and just click unload skin and go ahead and do this for all the skin that you have on your desktop. Now to add a clock widget, you need to go to this another website which is called visualskins.com. You can also find this link in the description box. After coming to this website, you need to go to the Rainmeter clocks option. Now download this elegant clock. Click on it, click on download. Now go to the folder, double click on it, click on install. Now if you go to the system tray of your right corner icon with the arrow icon, show hidden icons, click on it, and here you can find your Rainmeter application. So just double click to open that up, and then here you will find the elegant clock option. Now we have dark clock and light clock. You can choose whatever you want, but I'm just going to choose the dark clock here. Then just click load. Minimize that. Now as you can see, I have a clock widget in my PC. Now you can drag and drop anywhere you want to set the clock. And this is how you can add your clock widget in Windows 11. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.